Winning is better than losing. Obviously, who wants to lose or fail? But everybody loses when the war isn't one worth fighting for.
Herein makes competition an ideology that distorts our thinking, and there is no profit or gain for anybody. For example, monopolies means producing new products that's beneficial for everyone, that gives value addition to people, and that produces profits. For example, companies like Google. As we all live in a society, and what does a society teach? To indulge in a competition, feel its necessity, and trap ourselves within it. Look, I am 18, I am an Indian, and I am pursuing my BTech. And my society taught me three things: grades, grades, and well, grades. Grades, an important tool to measure my potential, my capacities, basically a whole of my career, a student's future. And this is a no new topic, basically an old one which we used to discuss in our so-called English debate competitions. Student with high grades receives status, credentials, and even more people's affection. In primary schools, elementary schools, high schools, in universities, etc., everyone is being taught almost the same subjects in mostly the same ways. Higher graders move ahead confidently until they reach a level of competition that is sufficient enough to knock down their dreams out of them. Gradually, higher education has become a place where people with big plans are stuck in rivalries. Ouch! What? Did it hurt, dear society? So where was I? Yeah. So the reality is, in a firm, people become obsessed with their competitors for career advancement, and then the firms themselves get obsessed with their competitors in the marketplace. Among all this human drama, people forget what really matters and focus on their rivals instead.
I didn't know you came here.
Gavin.
All these business wars, conflicts, rivalries are quite avoidable, but people ignore it. For example, as a startup, Google and Microsoft grew independently, but afterwards they started to focus on each other. Those are two different things. One was based on an operating system and the other a search engine. Then, result? And in between came Apple and overtook them all. Apple's market capitalization was about $500 billion and theirs combined was about $467 billion in January 2013. So, what we learned? War is a costly business. Rivalry causes us to consider old opportunities and let us copy what has worked out in the past. Competition can make people hallucinate opportunities where none exist. If you are genuinely interested in making things, in creating things, then you will become remarkably great at them. Why to defeat anyone? Who to compete with? If you truly want to focus on your productivity, on your progress, then stop thinking or keep tracking of what others are doing or thinking about you. I do not recall the exact phrase, but in the book The Secret, it was mentioned that competition is a way bad word to use. It leads us to compete for food, water, air, even every basic necessity that a person requires when everything is present in abundance. So think about it. Hey you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I would love to hear your opinions of what you inferred from this video. And this whole speech was being inspired by Peter Thiel from his book 0 to 1. And do comment down below if you want more such videos. And yes, be healthy, stay at home, and bye bye.